Alright, so for the first time, I've been outside when the squeak is happening. It's happening out here, it's very loud, and I went inside and my wife was saying that, hey, it's making the noise inside. I hope it will do it again while I'm filming out here. I was doing some work on the side of the garage down there, and I heard the exact same noise coming from here. So I'm just gonna record for a few minutes. See if we're able to capture it. This is the exact same sound. So whatever it is, seems like it's coming from out here. I think it's so tricky, it's so sporadic that you have to just be in the area, Okay, so it just did it. Hopefully it came out on the video. I'm gonna keep recording. It's gonna say you have to just be close by with a camera, ready to go. But 100%, I can hear it out here. So far, I've only captured it once in this video. There it is, this number 2. 2 times so far. I can't tell if it's louder in the back or in the front. I mean, the fan's really working hard. There we go, it's the 3rd time. Since it's doing it now, I'll just keep recording, try to get as much as I can. Can't tell if it's stronger in the front or off to the side. Probably is over here, I imagine. Here it is again. Try to capture it on this side if I can. Again. So apparently, whatever this problem is, the sound is coming from here, traveling through those hoses, making its way in. I know one of the original technicians thought maybe it was something to do with how it was bolted down, but it doesn't sound mechanical like that. It's definitely something coming from inside the unit. I can't really tell if it's kind of sounds like some pressurized something or other. It sounds like it's it doesn't sound like a grinding noise, it's more of a, I don't know, it sounds like pressure's building up and then relieving itself somehow. But I'll let you guys figure it out. Anyway, it's coming from out here, so